Now, in this new topic, construction, we're going to learn how to bisect any given line segment, how to bisect any given angle, how to construct special angles like 60 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 120 degrees, and so on. We're also going to learn how to construct triangles, parallelogram, rhombus, quadrilateral. Then we'll are going to understand what is locus and loci. We also going to learn accurate construction of loci in some given questions. Then at the end, you will be so confident that you can solve any questions on construction. So before we get to that level, let us first of all understand the foundation facts on construction. So first, always make rough sketches. Okay, this helps you to anticipate problems arising to that construction. All right, okay, good. Then also make sure you have the necessary tools, the eraser, the compass, the ruler, the set square, the protractor, and the pencils. You could have two pencils, a short one and a long one. The short one can be attached to the compass, while you use the long one for drawing of the lines or connecting the points. Okay, good. Also, make sure that you leave all the construction lines visible. All right, do not rub out anything that contributes to the final result, okay, because definitely you're going to erase some unnecessary lines. Okay, so do not rub out anything that contributes to the final result. All right, then lastly, always confirm the measurement of your lines, the measurement of your lines or arc, okay, as the case may be, with your ruler or the protractor. Okay, good. So in the next video we are going to learn how to bisect any given line segment. All right, good. For other interesting videos, click any of these and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.